This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a storage account in Microsoft Azure. Whether you're setting up your first storage solution or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your data efficiently and securely within Azure's powerful cloud environment. First, let's begin by logging into the Azure portal. You'll need to have your credentials ready, so if you don't have an account yet, make sure to set one up beforehand. Once logged in, you will be greeted by the Azure dashboard. This is your command center for all things Azure, providing access to a wide array of services and resources. Look towards the top of the portal, and you'll see a global search bar prominently displayed. Click on it and type in storage accounts. As you type, Azure will start suggesting services related to your query. Select storage accounts from the services list that appears. Now that you're in the storage accounts section, you'll notice an action bar layout at the top of the page. Here, you'll find options to manage existing accounts or create new ones. Click on the plus create or plus new button, which will initiate the storage account creation process. This is where the magic begins, as you customize your storage solution to meet your specific needs. Once you've clicked Create, you'll be taken to a configuration page starting with the Basics tab. This section is crucial as it sets the foundation for your storage account. Here, you will be asked to fill in several key pieces of information. You'll need to select your subscription, which is essentially the billing account that will be charged for the storage services. Next, choose a resource group or create a new one if necessary. Resource groups help organize your resources in a way that makes them easier to manage. After setting your subscription and resource group, you'll need to provide a unique name for your storage account. Keep in mind that this name must be globally unique, as it becomes part of the URL that Azure uses to access your storage account. Next, pick a location. This is the region where your data will be physically stored. Choose a location close to your users to minimize latency and improve performance. You'll also need to decide on the performance tier for your storage account. Azure offers two primary options, Standard and Premium. Standard is cost-effective and backed by magnetic drives, while Premium offers high-performance, solid-state drives. The choice depends on your specific use case and budget. Additionally, you'll select an account kind. The most common types are Storage v2, Blob Storage, and File Storage. Storage v2 is recommended for most scenarios as it offers the latest Azure features. Once you've configured the basics, take a moment to review your selections. Ensure that all the information is correct before proceeding, as these settings will impact how you access and manage your data. After verifying your choices, click the Review plus Create button at the bottom of the page. Azure will validate your configuration to ensure everything is set up correctly. If there are any issues, you'll receive a notification prompting you to make corrections. Finally, once everything checks out, click Create to finalize the process. Azure will begin deploying your new storage account, which may take a few moments. You can track the progress through notifications in the portal. Once deployment is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. Congratulations, you've successfully created a storage account in Microsoft Azure. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With your new storage account, you're now equipped to store and manage data securely in the cloud. Don't forget to explore other Azure services that can complement your storage solutions, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need to create additional storage accounts.